Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If I join us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to achieve this structured design that you are seeing on the screen. If that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I will start off by showing you the type of material to use for your structured design. So there are two types of organza. I'll be using this thicker version of organza, which is also known as organdy in this video. You can also use the regular organza. Just make sure it's organza, because that is the best material for this design. So after you've gotten your material, the next thing to do is to measure out the length and the width. So for the length, that will determine on whatever measurement you are working with, how big you want your structure design to be. And then for the width, you're going to make sure you cut something that is as big as possible. In this video, I will be using 1.5 yards of fabric, and that's because I'm working with a very big structured design. So now I'm going to show you the thing that we're going to use to insert to get the structured design. So these are the things that you can use. So you can either open up your boning case, you see the way I'm opening it up, and use this material inside. Trust me, this is going to go a long way. You open it up. When you open up your boning, this is what you have. So I open it up, and then I have all these tiny things that you are seeing in this video. So yes, you can do that. Open it up and then use this. It's going to help you, and it's very strong. So use this to achieve your structured design. So if you don't want to use that, there's another option, which is fishing line. So but it cannot be your regular fishing line. This fishing line must be thick. This one in this video is not thick at all, and that's why I ended up not using it, because it's not thick the way I want it. So you can get yourself a fishing line, but the thicker version of your fishing line. Another thing that you can also use, this boning that we use, but it's that boning that you don't have to stitch on it. You just create your boning case and you insert it into it. This type of boning, if you are patient enough, you can cut it out, open it like this. But you see, I ended up not using this one because it looks like a lot of work. So I decided not to use this. But if you are patient enough, you can trim this and cut it like line by line. You can also use that. But my favorite thing to use is this straw that you guys are seeing. This straw is very good. Like, it's going to make your structure design to stand on its own. Yes, so if you can find this structured one, and if the structured design that you are going for, it's like the case is big, then go for this straw. But if the structured design that you're going for, it's tiny ones, then you use the other one, yeah, like your boning, you trim it out, and then you go with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure the hem of my fabric. So what I'm going to do is to fold it in once, then I'll fold it in again, then I will run a straight stitch on it to secure the hem. So I'm going to do this for all my two sides, the first and the other side. Now that I have secured the side, I'm going to start folding. So for your fold, you're going to fold it tiny bit, little by little. You're going to fold a lot, as many as you need. Remember, when you are folding, please make sure you fold what it's going to be convenient for you when you are inserting your boning or your straw or anything you are inserting into your structure design. So make sure it's not too big and it's not too small. So that is what you see me doing in this video. I'll be folding it little by little. I'll fold from up to down, then fold lots of this till I'm satisfied with the fold. In this video, I don't know, I'll be folding about 20 lines or so, but we're going to see as time goes on. guys, as you guys can see, this is what I have folded so far. I am still folding, like we are not done, so I keep folding, and that's because of the design, the type of structure I am working with, you understand. So the amount of fold you'll be doing or you'll be making depends on the type of structure you are working with. So guys, this is what I have, you guys can see. I'll go ahead and iron this out, then show you guys what it looks like after ironing it out. So this is what I have after ironing it out. You guys can see that it's flat, and it's now I'm going to start inserting my straw into it in order to get the structured design that we are working with, and that's what you see me doing. I'm just inserting my straw into it. So guys, this is what I have after inserting the straw and everything into it. You guys can see it's firm and it's strong. So the next thing I'm going to do is to measure out the length of my structure design. In this video, this material was too long. I had to cut out the excess length that I don't need, and then after that I will be using my bias binding to secure the hem of my design. So I'll be using this bias binding to fold the hem of this just like regular folding, and after doing that I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So guys, this is what we have now. Trust me, this is the simplest and easiest method on how to get your structured design. That is what you see me showing you in this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is to prepare my structured design and attach it to the dress that I am working with. So this is me just attaching my structure on the side that I want, that I'll be working with. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, turn on your post notification bell so you get to know anytime I drop new videos, and always share our videos, comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.